Okay, so my name is Romén Rodríguez. And like most of you, I come from a company. Our company is Improving. I'm here to show you our main platform, which is Vocabulary Notebook. Basically, I have already said that we're solving a problem. Which problem is it? The problem is vocabulary acquisition. So, is Vocabulary Notebook a dictionary or a translator? And the answer is no. Vocabulary Notebook is basically a paper, it is a personal notebook. As you used to have a paper notebook where you wrote your words, your new words you learned with the definitions, translations. But basically, it's digital. So it solves all the paper-related problems. So you don't have space to add new information, you cannot sort your words, you cannot categorize them. And we also provide multimedia features such as testing and pronunciation and zooming images. So we have a model for students and a model for institutions, which I will not describe right now, but as a student, you can buy only one app for one device or a cloud account for using any device. And institutions, we provide teacher accounts with special features and also training courses to help teachers with all this technology and also with the pedagogical part. So we have a multidisciplinary team with also educators and so on. So this is a quick introduction, and just a little bit more about our platform. In the mobile and tablet apps, we have native apps because I have also worked with this sort of HTML-related SDKs, but in the performance, in my experience, it's not always the same. So we are focusing on native apps. So we have a native iOS app, a native Android app, and basically what you can do is add a new word. We say word, but it's any type of vocabulary. And you have the standard fields in the sheet, such as definition, sample sentence, translation, do I know the word, is it important? And then you can create your own categories. So it's all personal. So it's an empty notebook. You write everything. So it's constructivism and also personalization of the learning process and autonomy and so on. So this is a add word screen. And then we have create your own categories, which are tags and also icons. And then you have the study section where you see all your vocabulary there, sorted from A to Z, with useful icons such as I don't know it, or is it important, or the icons of the categories. And then you have a search box to find the word, or you have filters. Filters where you can say, okay, I want to see only the words I don't know, or only the words in the category tourism or animals. So you can filter and study easily what you want. And then if you click in a specific word in the summary, so you have the summary here with all the words, you click in one, and you can see the definitions, the sample sentence, all the information you wrote. And you can also listen. So we provide pronunciation, which is an extra tool that we provide. And you can edit easily, so you solve all the paper-related problems. Then we also have self-assessment tests. The different types of tests, I will not speak about them right now, but it's an enjoyable way of studying. And you have the results. And then we also have the web application for students, which is basically the same. I removed that slide. Yeah, it's basically the same. So you can create your own categories, edit them, edit your vocabulary, do self-assessment tests. We have several types of tests, as you can see here, like matching words and definitions, selecting the right word for a definition, and so on. So you can synchronize and use your mobile in the bus, and at school you can have a laptop, or in the office a tablet. And then the last part, quickly for teachers, you can see the words your students don't know. So here, if you have 6 students, 5 of them don't know the stars, so you should review that word in class. And you also have the number of words each student has, so this is a student. So the number of words they have, the number of logins, the number of, many stats. Also the categories they use the most, so you can see their interests. And then you can send suggestions. Sending suggestions to them means that they will receive something like this when you send suggestions, a list of words, and they will be able to accept or decline the suggestions you are giving to them. So it's a personal notebook, so they are free to either accept or decline your suggestions. And it's just the word, so they will have to fill everything else. Well, our team is a multidisciplinary team, lots of people, 6 people employed in the company, led them, other collaborators, investors. We have customers. More than 20,000 customers right now, all over the world. And so scientific studies as well. But